That's it for placing orders. Now let's turn to MetaTrader's charts. Open a new chart by using the toolbar on the right, or by dragging any currency pair from the Market Watch window into the gray chart area. If you order your charts in a particular way, and would like to be able to pull it up later, go to File, Profiles, and then Save As. I have made several profiles already and can scroll through them easily using the toolbar in the upper left. This feature is a very handy tool as you can set up different layouts. For instance, a snapshot of the market in which I have 6 major currency pairs, or I can choose to have one currency pair in several different time frames, or I can lay out several charts using the full chart area and scroll between them using the tabs on the bottom of the chart area. When focusing on a single chart, you can scroll to see more price data by using the arrow keys on your keyboard, by clicking and dragging the chart, or by using your mouse scroll wheel. By default, the auto scroll mode is on, which means that when you scroll through past data, you're returned to the present moment automatically. To be able to study past data without auto scrolling, deselect the button in the toolbar. You can zoom the chart in and out using the toolbar on the top, or by using the plus and minus keys on your keyboard's number pad. You can also right-click within a chart and use zoom features there as well. To change the period of your chart, you can use the period toolbar on the top, or you can right-click, choose the periodicity menu, and choose your period here. To change the type of chart you are using, you can use the toolbar, or by choosing Chart on the top File menu and selecting the type of chart there. Now that we know how to bring up new charts and how to scroll, zoom, and change the chart's period and chart type, let's examine some of MetaTrader's drawing tools. MetaTrader4's drawing tools include trend lines, channels, Gann tools, Fibonacci retracements, shapes, plus symbols, and text that you can place directly on the chart. Your simplest tool is the horizontal line. Select it and place it on any point in the chart. You can double-click on any line or object, and by right-clicking, decide to delete it. To place a trend line, select a point on the chart from which you want your trend line to start, and then pick a second point. You can double-click the trend line to select it and change the angle using the outer data points. You can also move the trend line by using the middle data point. To duplicate the chart, if your chart is selected, hold on to Control and click and drag to move the duplicate trend line. To delete a trend line, double-click it so it's selected, and then right-click and choose Delete. You can also use the Delete key on your keyboard. Before we move on to our other drawing tools, a handy tool is the crosshair, which helps you to measure a certain amount of pips between two different points. The numbers next to the crosshairs signify how many pips you have moved horizontally, vertically, and then the current price level. To use the equidistant channel, select it, draw an initial trend line, double-click the channel, and then move the second line to its appropriate position. Another key tool is the Fibonacci retracement tool. Select a high and then drag your mouse to a new low, and you will get the standard Fibonacci retracement levels. You can also add text to any chart. There are other tools we won't go into, but you can explore them for yourself. Next, we'll show you how to add technical indicators to your chart. You can add a technical indicator one of several ways. On the top, you can use the Insert Indicators menu, or you can use the navigator on the left-hand side by clicking the plus next to Indicators. From this menu, click and drag any indicator you want into the chart window. Select the appropriate parameters and click OK. If you have a certain set of indicators that you like, you can save it as a chart template. Right-click, go to the Templates menu, and then click Save Template. As you can see, you can quickly cycle between your different templates, showing you a different range of information. You can also scroll between templates using this icon in the toolbar menu. You can also add any custom indicators from the Navigator window as well. When you have many technical indicators in one chart, you can right-click and choose Indicators List in order to manage them.